Welcome to Unit 618 at 825 Church Street. This condo is located in the prestigious Yorkville area. This unit features one bedroom plus a den, one bath, and one locker. The primary bedroom is oversized and will accommodate your king-size bed and space to spare with large double closets. The location is sensational at Yonge and Church Street. Yorkville offers the best fashion, food, wellness, and culture. Explore luxury shops, unique restaurants, world-class art galleries, and the best salons and spas Toronto has to offer.